Hello everyone, in the fourth tutorial of SwiftUI, we are going to learn on how to use frame and alignment. So let's say we have a text, hello Abdul, and the frame of this text is the amount of space this text has covered. So let's say if I give background color of green to it, it's going to fill with a green color. So the frame of a text is a space occupied by the text. If I need to give a frame to it, what we can do is we can give frame and we can assign width and height to it. So here we have assigned a new frame to our text and we have applied the background color to that frame. Now let's say if I need to add one more frame, so let's create another frame and now let's give this a background color. So here we have a text and then we have applied a background color to that text. So the frame of a text is the amount of space occupied by a text. Then we have created a new frame and in that frame we have assigned our new background. Now if I need to shift our text to the leading, I can simply change its alignment. Let's say if I need to move it to leading, I'm going to add the frame alignment to leading. Now if I need to cover this empty space, so I'm not going to use any hard-coded value. I'm going to add not width, it would be max width to infinity. And similarly, we are also going to assign max height to infinity. Now this is going to cover our whole screen. And now if I need to shift this text alignment to leading, I can simply change it to leading, or if I need this text to move to trailing, I can move to trailing. This is how frame and alignment works. Now within this you can add more frames. So let's say you can add frame, width, height, and you can give a new background color to it. Now you can use different frames and in that frame you can assign the alignment as per your user experience. Now let's say if I need to move the frame with height 300 and is filled with yellow color to the top. Now let's say if I need to change the position of our frame, which is 300 by 300. So if we see this text is populated in this frame and then this frame is populated in this frame. So if I need to shift the position of this frame to the top, I'm going to change the alignment of this frame. Let's shift it to top. And we can see that our frame, which is 300 by 300, is shifted to the top. Why? Because we have changed the frame alignment to top, and this frame is the same frame in which our yellow frame is being populated. Similarly, if I need to move this text to the top, so I'm going to look at the container of this text where it is being written. So the container of this text is this frame. So I'm going to add alignment to it. If I need top leading, so I'm going to give top leading. So this way it's going to appear on the top and at the leading. Thank you so much for watching. This was a basic tutorial for how to use frame and alignment. Stay tuned for more advanced lessons.